Norm, the owner and installer at Capital PPF, is known for high-quality paint protection film installations with attention to the details. You've probably seen in videos or in person how he strives to install the film with better results than standard pre-cut kits that most shops use. We also value customer education and honesty throughout the entire process, as you may have noticed in our communications with you. But in today's society, online information is abundant, and we all know that you can't trust everything you see on the internet. The same is true when it comes to PPF. There are thousands of YouTube videos and social media posts with shops making it look so easy, and vehicle owner forums full of keyboard experts that have never even touched a piece of film themselves. And even customer reviews claiming perfection. On top of that, no one wants to actually post pictures or videos of their imperfections, which makes it seem as though they don't actually exist. Well, Norm has been in this industry for decades, and while he has seen excellent work, we have yet to see a perfect job, even with his own. It's true, an artist is his own worst critic, and some things that most people will never see or notice, our eyes are trained to see. We liken it to a diamond, absolutely beautiful from a normal distance, but if you get a microscope, you will find flaws. For our customers, some of these flaws will be in your vehicle's paint from the factory, or pre-existing rock chips, or even the film itself. And despite our best efforts, there will be some flaws in the installation, like a speck of dust, or a working line, or a natural trimmed edge of the film being not as perfect as a computer cut edge. We try to keep installation flaws to a minimum, but there will be some flaws. The color also has an impact on flaws being more visible. A silver metallic paint is much more forgiving for film manipulation than black or dark paint, or paint that has no metallic pearl to it. A white car is more forgiving for pre-existing chips, unlike dark or black cars. Each vehicle also has its own level of difficulty. You have to imagine trying to get a flat piece of film to conform to complex shapes, especially with bumpers. Some are designed so that they require a huge amount of stretch, or have complex curves in multiple directions that requires working and manipulating the film more. And others are designed with 1 million trim pieces. Along that note, due to the intricacy of most trim pieces, they will be installed using the computer pattern as designed, which may have their own limitations in design and coverage. And it is very rare that 100% coverage is possible. With complex designs, relief cuts or V-cuts are required, and even some seams may be required for some areas on some vehicles. And there may be small areas of exposed paint that won't have film, but they tend to be in low visibility areas. We also recognize that some shops torch their corners in order to try to get 100% coverage on sharp corners. We choose not to for a couple of reasons, and we'd be happy to explain to you if you want to know. Vehicles that are even just a few months old or even older might have different difficulties due to the dust and grime accumulating in the cracks and crevices and around trim pieces and moldings, which can prevent the film from sticking where Norm really wants it to, or wrapping as well, or even as possibly a little bit of contamination that falls in despite our best cleaning efforts. It can happen. Similarly, if a vehicle has been ceramic coated in any way, even if the coating is removed before PPF, which it has to, the same issues can arise with the edges not sticking as tightly as Norm wants, or the film not wanting to adhere in intricate areas exactly the way he would like. He has to treat every vehicle differently, but his goal is always the same: to provide you the best results possible. This information isn't meant to discourage you from getting PPF. It's meant to help you understand that you will be getting a very high quality installation at Capital PPF. But if you are expecting perfection, then we may not be a good fit for you, and we think that that is actually unattainable for anyone. Norm prides himself in his work, and he has yet to see another local shop match his quality. So if you're wanting the best work possible, then we look forward to protecting your new vehicle.